Yo, what up, Ravon? Cool. Let me just start the YouTubes as well, and then I need to go to the chat here. There we go. Just need to get out my x.com Chatterino Cappuccino, and then also figure out why YouTube is taking forever to load. Are you making an ocaml interpreter in the browser? No. What? We can just compile melange. Beep boop. I will show. Does the sound work now? The music thing? It will. Yeah. I just have to turn it on. Hopefully, at least. I was actually playing around with it a little bit. Okay, that doesn't seem that good. What? Shoot. Okay, one sec. Got Twitch live start stream event. Okay, why am I sending a million of these? Why am I sending a million of these? Right. I don't actually need this. We don't need to do this right now. Okay. Let's try again. Okay, still don't know. Why are we getting a million of these? Got Twitch live stream event. Where are we making these? Broadcast event handle event stream online. Obon worker. Oh, do I have a million jobs left to do for this or something? Okay, let's just remove all of these and do. Okay, let's try this again. I don't know why that's happening. Okay, cool. Nice. We'll just assume that that's good now. I'll fix that a different day. Xstream not working. Xstream's not working? What? Let me double check it. I'm trying to start YouTube. I was trying to start a million things at one time. Which is always a good strategy. Always a good strategy, chat. Would recommend. Okay. Oh, that's because I didn't click start yet. I didn't click start on X. Okay, now X stream should work. I hadn't clicked anything yet. So we should be back. Interview is fire? Oh, nice. Okay. Now are we getting lives happening? Oops. Wait, when did Yeah, it was I was still starting. I haven't done my announcement yet. I know that I haven't done it. At everyone. Writing ocaml to make a website for a podcast with me and Prime, and it will be fun. Boom. We are so back. We are so back. Okay. Generally starting to consider advantage taking over programming, spending money on CS education. Maybe I'm just on Twitter too much. You should watch the podcast from yesterday, or 2 days ago, from me and Prime talking to DHH. What's up, Rick? My music's not working. It's not working, but I don't know why. Maybe I broke it. I was playing too much with stuff for this. Localhost. What does this even go to? 8,000? I don't even remember. 4,000. Okay, so it's running. I don't know why I'm not getting any. Don't know why I'm not getting any of this. 4,000/overlay. Okay. Playing here. Clearly. Oh, I probably need to do refresh cache.
Gentlemen, you can't fight in here. This is the war room.
There we go. Okay, maybe now it's gonna work, chat. I have no idea. Well, I don't know what's happening. I don't know why it's broken at all. We'll just restart this whole thing. We'll go to Envin. We'll go to DBUI. We'll go here. We'll just give the ye old quick delete from theme songs here to give everyone their theme songs back, hopefully. And then we'll see what happens now.
The missile knows where it is at all times.
I did make a video about it as well.
It knows this because it knows where it isn't.
With DHH, and he's like made money in programming, so he's maybe a good person to talk to. We move far from my hometown.
Gentlemen, you can't fight in here. This is the war room.
Second year student is my first time living alone. Do you have any life advice for me? Yeah, you need to find some friends in real life. Don't let yourself just only hang out with online friends. How do I set up my song? Boom, bam, the theme song. And I'm gonna get the site back up.
Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. I was 8 when I met Mary Kate. That was actually the same day that I met Ashley.
That's whatever. Let's go do our counter here. All right, so I think this is still working. I will show, chat. I will show. Okay, nice. Topshelf.fm. I mean, look at this site, chat. Okay, sweet. So it's still working. Mike needs some boost? Really? It sounds so loud in my ears. Okay, one sec. I'll check. Let me check. Okay. Okay. Hello? Is this better? Sounds loud in my ears right now. Am I really loud all of a sudden now? Hello. Hey there, chat. What's up? Why did my theme song disappear? I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on at all. Way better. Could go up even more? Really? I gotta change my headphones then. They're like yelling at me. Oh, where is that? Okay. Mic monitor. Maybe I just turn that down a touch and I just do a little bit less on my headphones. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Dude, that's weird. This just seems like it wasn't. Can you still hear me okay this way? Are you gonna publish Top Shelf to normal podcast places? Funny you should ask that, Dax. Podcaster, Top Shelf podcast episodes list. I don't know where it went. I have it though. Yeah, one sec. Share, copy URL right here. Yes, Dax. Why is there an SST plugin for this or something? I didn't use Transistor. I just used regular Spotify. Should I be using Transistor? I just added it to the other places that people do. I don't know. What's up, Rule? Josh, what's up? Live on YouTube? You betcha.
Can't properly tell recursive.
Oh,
like,
dang. Hey, thanks. Transistor
okay,
was on a basketball team, so
my
yes.
favorite.
I know Justin was there, but it didn't seem like it made sense. Bro, what I was doing. Like, I didn't get what I was getting for me. We can talk about it later, but it seems like a good product, but I didn't get why I would need it.
Actually, my favorite.
I want to make a website, so it's like a negative if I get one. $9 a month. What's up, Andrew? That's an anti-feature. Does scheduling, etc. I'll check it out. Okay, I'll check it out. I think I can just transition this over to there, right? Not that we have a ton of people here, but you can switch your pockets different. Permanently redirect your RC, paste the RC new host, and it'll just work fine. Then it'll be the CMS for our stuff process I can pull there for content. Okay, fine, Dax. Dang it. Dax, fine. Instead of writing code, I'll do this. Golly gee, Dax. You don't have to. Dax, if literally I have a single question after this, if I have a single question, you're just going to flame me. Like, oh, how do I do XYZ? You'll just reply. Oh, remember when I told you transistor? I don't want to be responsible. No, but now you are either way, Dax. Okay? Like, no matter what you do, now you've already lost. You literally ruined it. Teach, please. I'm trying to listen to DHH. Same. Okay. Dang it. Dang it, Dax. Okay. What do I need to do for this? Quantum state of decision making. I know. I'm going to go look at it right now. Episodes analytics component. Let me go. Let me go. I think I'll just look at this later. So maybe don't try. Dax isn't even using it. Okay, we're not going to do it right now. I'll consider it for later, though. I'll go look at it some more tonight. Honestly, Spotify has basically all the things, too. You just link the other ones. They all just do RSS feed. You know what I mean? What up? You seen? How's it going? Dax giving a good solution. Yeah, but then he doesn't even use it, Josh. Like, can't even trust him. No, Sam, Dax said I should use it, and then immediately afterwards was like, well, I don't use it. All right, this is still working, right? Yeah, look, Dax, are you seeing this? Look at that. Boop, 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 boop. Look at that live reload in ocaml. It's everything you wish JavaScript could be. I'm going to convert Dax to writing more ocaml. We're going to get it in SST, chat. American Dream is literally impossible to move there. Dude, it's so insane that it's hard to move. Like, whatever. Listening for the next 5 minutes. Okay, well, then we better go hard. We're writing ocaml to build a website. This was just to make sure that this was still working. So we can pretty much just delete everything here. Realistically, I don't know why I don't think I need React for this at all, but we're going to do it anyways, of course. In before Ryan says rewriting live view. He's been DMing me for months. Okay. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to get, where is the RSS feed for this? Can't I get the RSS feed from somewhere on this page? I need to get it over here. I have it over here somewhere. Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna literally copy paste this in for right now. And we'll call this episodes dot, we'll just call it we'll call it RSS XML. We'll paste it in. Some simple games I played in real time, few coworkers during meetings I don't care about. Nice. Battery, that's fine. Okay, so we're gonna, I like how ocaml has the rec keyword. It's nice. Yeah. What's up, Alexi? It's over or go somewhere else. Dude, sucks there. Yeah, that's tough. That's tough. Description channel. The Primogen and teacher are on a quest to find the best possible technical speakers and that's the best qualification you find. You all know the Primogen can't read, so this is a great format for him to really shine. Teach is here to make sure that Prime knows who the guest is and also to interrupt Prime whenever possible. That's kind of like, I feel pretty accurate sort of like description of the situation. Is there there's got to be XML like PPX ocaml or something like this, right? There's already like no, I want XML parse ocaml. Yo, Alberto, hey, thanks for the sub.
ocaml is
Light
actually
XML parser. There's no Jane Street one already for this? Jane Street, hello. There we go. That's the one I'm looking for. This ought to work. Do they have any tests in here for me to look at? to make sure. I'm assuming that it's fine. We'll just double check it. That we don't have one. How much of a side quest should we try and do today? We definitely you need to sign up for an XML to JSON SAS. Oh, XML thing. Okay, I'll keep that in mind. All right. So we go to Dune project here, and then we can go down here and let's go to podcast stuff. So let's go PPX XML conv. I think that's what we need. And then we should be able to do Dune builds, Dune package lock. Beautiful. I love it. Might have to retro later. Nice.
Riot?
In the sub repo?
I'm just always trying to throw shade
What's
at
up,
me.
Printer? Shade DM'd me saying you should rewrite this in live view. He's not wrong. I mean, live view would definitely be easier for this. There's not even any reason for me to make this interactive. But we're going to do it anyways. Why sounds weird? Or is it only me? TJ's voice and music is just fine. What do you mean? What else? What other sound is there? Auto closing tags, auto inserting. I don't think so. I meant welcome sub short music. Oh, I think it just got scuffed today. I don't know what happened to it. I was trying to write some code off stream and I failed. Do you miss Bass Bunny since she showed an Emacs? Of course, but we'll maybe hang out again soon. It was fun seeing her at LayerCon. Okay, so I'm thinking let's go ahead and go to source. We'll go we can go here. So let's just do, I don't know, we'll call it podcast ML, something like this. There's probably already RSS ocaml. There's probably something already here, right? RSS 3.0. Yeah, we already have one. Maybe I should just look at this and write RSS files. Yeah. Maybe ask Prime to help with writing code while you're supporting him on reading stuff. True. Did you mean Frame.io? No, I didn't. No, thank you though. It's nice of you to try and tell me that. Support standard.is, RSS. So read and write RSS 2.0 files. Okay, cool. Okay, interesting. So where is the... Do. RSS 3.0 is, I didn't even know if I can, how can I tell if people are even using this? I don't even know if that's a thing. Okay, well, RSS 3.0, is that on Git? Is there one? I want to look at the actual source to see it. What did they use in this? Did they make their own RSS shenanigans? RSS ML. Oh, this must be all from other stuff though. Vendor ocaml RSS. Okay. Ocaml RSS GitHub. Okay, this is the same one. Nice. All right, so are there any RSS test? Let's see what it looks like here. RSS makes opt read channel data, read item data, RSS channel TO file ops. Dude, I don't know. I mean, we can try this, I guess. I got no idea what this is gonna do. Web. Interesting. Those are all the docs, I suppose. We can give it a run, see what happens. Oh, maybe this test RSS is what I should do. Got it. Okay, so here's our random file. Okay, sure, we'll just see. But then I probably want to do instead, we'll go ahead and do RSS Dune package lock. Okay, Library going to delete your podcast. I hope so. Last commit 11 years ago. Yeah, and how often does RSS change? I mean, we can also just try and parse it directly. It's like we only care about doing ours, so it's not that big of a deal. Right? Can I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Dude, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Like, dude, I don't know. I want to see somebody actually use this, though. Where are they actually using this thing? Is it like at deriving XML lang ocaml? Do I need to set this as a reg expression? Top shelf TJ? No, it's not me. It's pretty funny though. Users, what are those? Deriving, protocol, xconv, XML. No, I don't want to do any of those. Is there not just like a... Oh, that's weird. Really? DJ, you should click that Instagram link. I did.
So
I clicked it. I'm not going to click it on stream. It looks a lot like me. I thought it looked a lot like you, Dax.
No, it's just Chuck Testa.
Section name XML. So I think I can just do deriving XML. We'll just see what happens. Let or type RSS is this, and we'll just say like name, or we'll say, what do we have here? We've got channel, Chanel. Type and Chanel is title string. I don't know. Doesn't really matter. Link. We'll just do this for now. At deriving XML. Sure, we'll try this. Then we need to go to Dune. We'll hit them with the ppx XML conf. I think. I don't know. Is that good? We'll give him. We'll hit him with the Dune build. I've been doing Graph for 1 year, and yesterday was my first technical interview. I didn't do good enough in order to get the position. I feel that I couldn't tell what I know with the precise words. How can I be more technical? Because I feel that getting comps is not enough. Yeah, you got to practice. You'll just have to practice a lot more. Right? Like, you're not going to be able to get... you can only use it on records? Oh, do I have to go like this? Like, you're not going to get good at doing, like, technical interviews without practicing them, right? Driver field is needed for XML. Time in the saddle. Exactly. Right? So it's like you got to practice. Just like any other skill, communicating, you're going to have to do the same. Going to have to do the same thing. Wait, what? How am I supposed to use this? Who is using ppx XML conv? Am I just wrong? I don't know how this works, dude. How is this? Wait, how is this one parsing XML? What is going on here? That's a good question, right? How is it going to parse anything? I don't know. Who's doing the parseroos here, chat? Somebody's got to be doing it. XML upsource, XMLM. What is XMLM here? Dude, this is really old. This is before even Dune is around and everything too. What? Oh my goodness. You know what I'm saying though? Like, obviously it sucks to. RAI, I know, dude. That's some old stuff right there. Oh, now we're talking. An ocaml decode and encode XML can produce XML documents. Boom! It's bright, chat. Okay, sweet. So I think we probably need this, chat. We probably need this. What/who's top shelf? It's me and Prime's podcast. So how let's see how this actually works, right? The sequence. How are they actually reading these shenanigans here? I literally don't know. Yeah. Do I have to go like module XMLM like this or something? Non-optional label argument expected. Dune package lock. Let's try this again and we'll remove that one. Any HTMX? We could try and instead do it with HTMX. I wasn't going to do that. Because the way that I have it right now, it's just we're going to make a big blob and then put it with... and just load it with Cloudflare Pages. Bin proto shape was not specified with Dune. There's no social operating file will launch support. Oh, I see. Okay. So I need to also do library bin prot. We need to put this as a separate. Right. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. I'm following. This should be fine now, but now it says XML is not supported driver. Okay. Yep. Okay. Let's go ahead and we'll put this in a separate, maybe like library inside of here. So you talk about the Helix library at Fun OCaml? I didn't. How many subs to talk about OCaml for the first 10 episodes? I mean, well, that would be impossible. We already had 3 episodes. Why there's no deb package for Neovin? There's just no one makes one, I guess. It's Hack and Stash. That's the one you're thinking of? Ready Fire? It's just my color scheme. I have not tried Objective-C. No. Okay. Let's see if ChatGPT knows which library I'm supposed to be using for this. We'll ask the advanced reasoning. How can I parse XML in OCaml? Even better if I can derive a serializer and deserializer. Isn't cool to me, Hack and Stash. I know. That's okay. It's not a polycast, Nightshade. It's just a podcast. You know what I mean? EZXMLM? Is this a real thing? Are these real? I haven't seen any of these. These all seem like fake news, chat. I'm not gonna lie, these all seem like fake news. RSS, OCaml, GitHub. Let's see if we can, maybe we just make a system call. River, a planet feed aggregator. Planet feed aggregator. Okay, well this one's not 11 years ago. That's a good start. That's a good start, chat. RSS2 and Atom feed aggregator. OPAM install rip. Now we're talking. MLM. That's what I'm saying. It's like I don't even believe any of those. We'll come back to those. So what does this one depend on? Syndic, CoHP, P time, LWT, OCamlNet, Lambda soup. Ooh, Lambda soup maybe. What is this? What is this? Or does it just implement everything inside of here for like RSS? Like where's it getting, you know, where is it getting this? Post of RSS2. Sitting. Okay. Okay, yep. Okay, so we need to find this one. I don't know what this is. OPAM Syndic. Wow. Now this is a website here. What is going on? What is going on, chats? Okay, right here. GitHub pages. How do Excel change in the last 10 years? So it probably didn't, but maybe there's something with RSS. So chat, I don't know anything about this, okay? Okay, nice. This seems good. RSS and Atom feed parsing. Now we're talking, chat. Now we're talking. So let's take a quick look here. Make image, title, link, width, height. Okay, okay, nice. Okay, nice. We're on the right track. Yup. There's XMLM. Yeah, we knew that one was real. We knew that one was real. Really? XML? There's no like... Dang it. How hard is this? How hard is this to make, chat? Am I really going to go on a side quest like this today? This seems like a terrible plan. It seems like a terrible plan, but I'm thinking about it, okay? I'm thinking about it. So Mainstream knows is good. Okay, portrait. Yes, but we don't want to have to necessarily write everything all of ourselves, right? I mean, this DJ is like Thor's on steroids with enthusiasm steroids. Thor's probably fair, Petra, yeah. That's most of the garbage you will find in RSS feeds in the wild. Ooh, not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. Yep. We could get there though. I checked after listening to the first episode on YouTube. Yep. No. We wanted to just make sure people were enjoying it mid before we went through and like did a bunch of other stuff, right? So you can go to here actually. Commands add podcast, or we'll say top shelf. And we'll do that one for right now. So it's actually there. So you can subscribe or like find the other ones. If there's a different podcast place that you want it on, let me know. And I can try and make sure it gets uploaded to those too and things like this. XML Lite. XML Lite ocaml. I want to look at the actual source. Okay. XML parse string, printf, to string, load an XML. Well, how do I like do anything with this? This one looks pretty good though. Can I listen from my terminal? Yeah, there's a way to control Spotify from your terminal. Shout out Dylan Mulroy. What I'd really like though is I want to do yeah, I want to do let's just look quickly at this. I don't know if we need to worry about that one. Map access, read, map access adders, next key seed. Because I'm thinking, dang it, it's probably not worth it. It's probably not worth it. I probably should just do one of these, but we could maybe copy some of this in. So okay, so here's basically what I'm trying to figure out if I want to do right now then. Okay, is we have Saturday JSON right here, right? And this was not insane to implement here. So then I'm kind of wondering, what if we just did the same thing, but so much work. I feel like it is still a lot of work. So let's just explore. So the problem is I really want to have something where I can get this like parsed from something. Image width of XML, description. How are these like parsing these? And what do you do with them after you have it? XML parser. We can try XML Lite though. We can try XML Lite. Let's just give it a quick go, shall we? So we'll drop this and we'll go XML. Is that the name actually that it is? I don't think it can have a dash. Oh, it can have a name in this, right? And then it XML Lite like this, yeah. Dune package lock. All right, we'll give this a go then. Dune build. Okay, so let's go ahead and try and run over to source. We'll go ahead and add a new thing, and we'll just call this one actually, let's go to bin, and we can go Dune, and let's say executable. I think you go like name, and we can just say XML test, something like this, and then we go here and go XML test ML. We'll go Dune exec XML test W. Does that work or no? Dune exec XML test. We just can't do, that one doesn't exist. That's why. Can I go bin XML test? Will that work? No. Okay. So that's still, they still need to fix that. Okay. All right. So we've got something happening here, which is good. We want to go libraries, and we say XML lights. Do I do this? Module T is XML. Is that what it was? Might need to restart that. I don't know. Searching dictionary might make yet another package instead of searching for the right one. Yeah, I mean, it is more fun to just make your own, right? Okay, so let's try and do XML parse file. Let's try and do this idea. Let parsed is in this, and let's go data / RSS. Right? Isn't that what I called it? RSS XML. Okay, so it didn't. This is, I don't know, some type did parse file. Okay. Oh no, this is like if you have some data. This is if you have a definition thingy, right? XML to string parsed. Print and line this. Okay, so let's try that. Let's try that. Does this work? Did we parse it and then get it to go back? We did. Okay, nice. I am using the new Dune preview. Yep, it's awesome. DOM parser parse. Does that have XML parse? Okay, so now I don't know XML light types, element or PC data. All right, so let's go just do something. Match parsed with XML element. I don't know. Okay, so cool. We do have something here, right? So we have some list of strings, and then strings, and then possibly something else. So this must be like the data that it is. So you start here and you say this is probably some element, and you have children. Okay, so you have RSS. Okay, so it just says, where does it say RSS here? Oh, it's the first element right here. Got it. This has some random stuff here. Probably all of these guys, right? So this is like, this must be data. We go list, iter, left, right, print, and let's go to Dune project. We'll add thumped and base is fine. We'll see if that works. Sidebar doesn't really answer your question. So using OPAM? Nope, you don't really have to use OPAM. Not directly, at least. Okay, so we go back to our bin Dune here, and we can just say base and thumped. Did you check the fun ocaml stream? I watched some of it. Yeah, I'm gonna watch some more of it later. But I did not. I didn't get a chance to finish it yet. Okay, awesome. Sweet. So now we can just go funct here, and we'll do the same thing here and here. Function. This should take now data f. I think we can do left, right, like this. CP. Okay, cool. So now we can see what we actually have inside here. Okay, so we are parsing this, so that's good. So we get each of these. So this is like DC. Okay, yeah, all right. Well, we can make do with this for today at least. You just have to go run ending with correct end. What? So you remember to run opam, your LSP is good to go. Actually, you can with new Dune, you just run something like Dune exec ocaml LSP or Dune exec ocaml LSP, which is awesome. New Dune, I think, is gonna solve a lot of problems. A lot of problems. Okay, so now, chat, you can see... Actually, what I think we'll do is let's go like this, and then let's go like this. Okay. So we got this stuff right here, right? So it's like, hey, here's, this is what it is, blah, 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 podcast, anchor, that's fine. Now we have channel. So that's the children here. So we have some XML list, right? Can you show me how you set your LSP? Oops. Yeah. When you have the new Dune, you can do Dune exec ocaml LSP as long as it's installed as one of your dependencies. Is that OPM episode really pain set up? Yeah. Yep. No, it's new Dune is so cool. New Dune is awesome. I think it's gonna solve a lot of people's frustrations. I've been using it a little bit and it's great. Okay. So we don't need to do anything with that. So now we should have basically like... Okay, so it's just inside of one channel. So we should have one channel basically, right? So we should have like let's handle channel. This is like XML. And this is going to be... This is some... Oh, this should be like XML like this, right? That should still match, I think. Yep, because we just have one channel. That's fine for right now. Or we could call it channel. And now inside of channel, we should have title, description, blah, blah, blah. We're in OCaml and Gleam after work, and now I hate my JavaScript job. Many such cases, Chris. Have you tried Kaquan or Helix? I haven't really, like... Depends what you mean tried. Have I given them a go for 6 months to give my opinion on it? No. Reduce OCaml so it can share among switches. Yep. That'll be also a huge win as well, Mono. Agreed. I think when those two things happen and you can, like, start... it's super easy to get a new OCaml project going. The project always builds. I think a lot of those things are going to be very big wins for people, which is exciting, right, in OCaml. So, okay. So, for this, we have some channel here, and the channel is going to be some... I think it's just XML, light types XML, right? So we can just go like this right now, just so we know. All right. What are we going to do with this? We're going to match channel with, and this should have something like Nope. This should say channel. Fail with handle channel. It's fine right now. How much sleep do you average per night? It's all over the place right now. I've got little kids. Can you do an exec and watch one? Usually I can, but I think something is busted with it in the preview where it's crashing right now for that. I haven't had a chance to test it out why. It only happens for Dune exec for me, so I don't know. I'm well aware of the -W, so usually I do, but it's crashing right now. I mean, that's preview software, so what are you going to do? I haven't made an issue yet because I don't know if I don't know. I'm not going to bother them about it, right? So, okay, so we have a channel here, and then we should have, I'm assuming we have data. So then this should be like channel, right? So we should be able to do this. And then let's go list iter, and we'll print all of those again as well. But let's put these here to make sure that this is working the way I'm thinking it's working. Handle channel. Okay. Oh, we never called handle channel on it, right? That makes sense. Handle channel. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay, so there's nothing inside here. Oh, that's the tags that are inside of here. Okay, I got it. What do you call these? Or these are properties? No. What's the thing you called? I told you about it. Okay, cool. Nice. Attributes. Thank you. That's the word I'm looking for. Attributes, right? So these are attributes. Okay, nice. Attributes. Adders. And these are also adders here. Okay, so now we have children again. And this should be like, okay, we have a title, description, link, in a bunch of other stuff like this. Is there no, like... Yeah, what do these look like? Element, string, XML list. So there's not really any... DDD tag of string optional 0 or more DDD child tag of string choice DDD child list DDD child
Properly tail recursive. Like,
okay, yeah. So there's nothing in this one that like gives me this one's a string.
How would you say your mental
yeah, what's up,
focus
Nightshade?
is?
Locked in. Oh, we're
What's
locked in.
focused?
Cosmic, hey, thanks for the prime. Appreciate it. We're not putting locked in as one, Nightshade. We're not doing that. Data types, it's all strings. Yeah, but I didn't know if there were any of them where it was like this would work better, but it's okay. That's totally fine. So title, lock, exactly. I'm aware. Trust me, I'm aware. Okay, so we don't even need to do this right now. We can just put adders here. Doesn't matter. And then we need to do something here where we're actually going to deal with the children. So let's make like type channel is title, string, description, string, link, string. Don't care about image right now. We'll skip that one. Last build dates. Author, string. Copyright, I don't care about that. Language, don't care about that one right now. Summary, description, summary. Isn't that not the same thing? Oh, these are, and then we have, does it just go like in one, it's just flat? Atom link. iTunes author, top shelf. Primogen, you have iTunes owner, image category. Oh, item. Then we get down to items. Okay, so then we get item list. And item, which is like a title, string, description, string, something like this. And we'll string. Oh, I can't type today. Oh my goodness, what a choke at the end. Just go for a regular English. Okay, there we go. Okay, that was close. I was worried that we had lost it all, chat. Description. Description. We need a link as well. Link. String. Is permalink. I don't even know what this means. Update, enclose, summary. Okay, so this one, those the same. Description, summary, whatever. It's okay, so let's see if we can get this far. Summary is usually a short description for displaying with description going in details view. Okay, nice. Yeah. Whoops. 6 more words per minute than last stream. Some days is better. I didn't know you could to type X and Y. Yep. I'm doing great. I don't know. How about you? I am making a website for me and Prime's podcast called topshelf.fm. Right now, it looks really good. Topshelf.fm. Look, chat, you can click this visitors button. Pretty good. Yeah, it's for recursive. But it's also nice if you want to say, if you want to like write this one first and then this one later. Unfortunately, the state's all stored in the client, so I don't know. But it's a pretty good website. It uses React. Not a big deal. Oh, not a big deal, chat. Yeah. Yep. Works for values as well. If you have mutually recursive function, you can use and. Yep. Yeah, it's nice. Okay, so let's see then if we can. So for this is then we're gonna do. So like for example, you go and handle child, right? This needs to be a rec then, because it's sort of like recursively inside of this thing. Handle child. Yeah, we'll make it. It's the same type, unfortunately. Oh, there's going to be like a crap ton of these, right? So it's like, okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to, oh, okay. Fail with item. Okay. So, because we're going to have something like this, right? We're going to need to, because first we have to get, is it just item? There's like a bunch of items, right? Okay. Yep, so we need to do something different for each child. Okay, I got it. First, let's just see if we can get out title, description link. Okay, right? So we can go something like this. We'll go let channel, or we'll just return here. Title is, do we have this? And let's just go description. I'm just going to delete all the other ones here. I don't even care. Let's see if we can just get title out for a sec. XML get adder. Yeah, I didn't think that was a function. Do we have something like this? Tag. Returns the tag of the value of the XML node. Okay, children.
Retail recursive. Like,
oh, Radius. Hey, thanks for the subs. Thank you. Unlikely title isn't an attribute. Oh yeah, that makes sense too. That's reasonable. Anyways, Radius. Hey, thank you for the subs. Tag probably not what you want. Yeah, you're right. Is there like is there maybe also, Radius? Have you even said hello yet today? What is going on? Am I missing something? Yeah. Is there like an iter? Here, or maybe like filter or find utils dot memmap set map find map. Maybe something like this, huh? We could probably write some of these though too. What does this do? String map, find make map string. I don't think it's gonna work. What's up, Radius? There's probably an XML full. Yeah, we'll just write it ourselves. It's fine. So let's write a let's go find. We'll do our module. We'll just say like something like this, query. I'm using it right now, Pravon. Find. We take something like this. What do you call it? A node, I think, right? And a name. We can go match node with this. Element tag children. This actually doesn't matter. We're gonna assume that you already have done this. Fail with oh no. And then what are we gonna do here? We're gonna go list find map children function XML element agwen name some node. Yep, that's right. Okay. Just type int. All right. Okay. When this is equal to this, XML tag. Okay, what gets me excited? Same. Still rocking good old Dactyl. Yep. Yeah, it's the same one that I've had for quite a while now. Okay, so then we can just say instead none here is fine. So now we could just do something like query dot. I'm actually just going to do. We'll just do node. Oh, we can go option dot. Well, actually, let's just go like let. Result is this in match result with some value none fail with could not find tag. I don't care. We'll raise a particular thing for this later. Query find title, right? And then this returns like a node, but we actually want the string, so we should go some node, because each node is an XML list. What how do I know what's inside of this thing then? How do I get the string that's inside? Have we done that yet? Oh, it's PC data, right? Let data node match node with PC. Is it PC data I don't really care if this isn't good. You know what I mean? Okay, so that should be fine. What term? I use Ghosty right now. Where'd you get the Dactyl? From a guy on Reddit. Oh yeah, that's probably better. We'll call it text instead. Thanks. Good call. Oh, that's still pinned. Yeah. Okay, so now we should be able to get the title, which is good. It should say the top shelf, which is awesome. And then handle channel. So this should return let channel let RSS is this or something like this, right? So this should be of type channel. And we should be able to do, we'll just add deriving show, and we'll go here. This doesn't have this yet, but we should be able to do show RSS. Okay. In this, it's fine. Doesn't know how to do this yet. Show channel. We don't have that yet, so we need to go here and we go preprocess pvx deriving standard. We go back to Dune project. We go here. We say ppx deriving. This will say, hey, you need to do this. Dune package a lock. Thank you. Didn't have them code. I found it much easier to learn when you got something going on. Yeah. All right, downloading and installing. Awesome. Could not find tag. Okay, could not find tag. Oh, could not find, could not get data. Oh, duh. This is also, there should be some, when, yeah, this is wrong, obviously. Children. Fun, child. Match child with child. Okay. Right? Could not get data. Could not get data. Really? Really? That's what you're telling me. So when we have title here, this matches title. Next moment, tag. Tag is equal to the name for title here. Then shouldn't we be returning this one here? What? Fun child? Never heard of that. Well, then you definitely have not been listening. I think my kids are really fun. XML tag. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, am I crazy? Shouldn't this be matched? This child says that it's here. Oh, duh. That obviously can't work. Oh, it's the it's the child. It's the node right here. This is the data node here, right? This should be data. Duh, obviously it can't work. I literally said that it wasn't going to work here. Duh, chats. Kids, yeah, I got 3. So let's print the channel, thumped channel. And we should have title. The top shelf. Let's go, chat. We did it. You can't see it, but it's right there. Nice. Nice. Okay. We're in, chat. We're in. Okay. So the next thing we need to do then. What's up, Harish? First try. 2. True. True. Thank you. True. This probably should be called find text, because that's what it does. Okay, that should work. Awesome. Actually, what we'll do is I'll switch this up here so you guys can see it a little bit better. And then I'll just look at the actual data itself. Okay, so then we can just go back and we can say, like, description, string, link, string. And we should just be able to do exactly the same thing for each of these, right? Which is like, okay, we're going to do description and link. Awesome. And now we should have each of those, hopefully. Wonderful. Title, description, and link. Yeah. Yep. Really fan of the whole loop the children for each attribute pattern. Let me explain something to you right now. Let me go right here. We'll just go neo fetch. I don't have it installed. Sudo apt install neo fetch. Why do I have to install so many things for this? I don't know what's going on. I don't even care. This example is getting way too long for no reason. Neo fetch. Nice. Okay, so let's see. 3.4 giga instructions a second. So we're going to be okay to loop over this. We're going to be all right. We're going to be okay. Poor. I don't even care, Nightshade. I know that I'm wrong about it. I do know better, but the point is we'll have it. You know, I don't have misery turned on right now. No, I had to turn it off because people were trying to DDoS and sending, how can I say this? Very hateful words as different paths to the server to try and get me in trouble. So we turned it off for a little while, and I have to fix some things in Cloudflare and turn some other stuff on to get it back connected. Sad. Indeed. But we'll sort it out, and I'll get it sorted out on Cloudflare side and stuff like this too. It just hasn't been. I just have been doing a lot of different random stuff. What's up, Diablo? That's right. That's like, yeah, like VS, believe it or not. People are trying to send paths with that to the server. Despicable.
Very good.
Okay, so really this is actually just find.
Yes, I do.
This is like find child. And we'll do this, and then we'll just, instead of doing that, we can return this here. Yeah, and we can just do get text is this, and I'm gonna take this and we'll say we'll just do find child node name like this, and we'll just make that one always return it, and then this one should be get text. Okay, awesome. I like that. That's coming together nicely. Words like a cursor is a good IDE. I don't know. I mean, it's like, do I think if some random people forked VS Code and worked on it, would they be able to make it better than Microsoft? I'm not saying they couldn't. You know what I'm saying? Right? It seems like a completely reasonable hypothesis to me. If you quitting SG directly led to some manner of events that led you to DHH interview, I forgive you. It actually led directly to there because I would not have told Prime that I would have the time to manage podcast shenanigans for him. Or that we should actually start like a real one together. Likely after Prime and I go meet this weekend at TwitchCon and do some sprint planning. We will be hopefully setting up a regular cadence of Top Shelf. I don't know that cadence is going to be every week. I think like initially I'm going to shoot for something like every other week with Prime. But maybe even every week because it's really fun. Like, it's just like, do I want to go and talk to people that I respect and Prime regularly? Yeah. I do. For us plebeians, what's Top Shelf? Top Shelf's me and Prime's interview podcast that we're starting. We have done Chris Latner, Ginger Bill, and DHH. The idea of the podcast is not, I'm literally not calling out anybody in particular. So if you're thinking of somebody, I'm not thinking of them. But like a lot of people, I feel like aren't willing to spend a bunch of time. For example, if you have someone who's a prolific article author on, just reading all the articles. How long will this podcast last? Like your book club with Bash and Vegan? Well, we finished almost a book, Bisco. So what do you think about that? By the way, is Prime faster than the event? Just depends on the problem. So, like, I read probably an absurd number of DHH articles to get ready for the podcast. I want to ask questions no one else is asking people. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like a lot of times people get DHH on or something, and they say, Adam and Dax. That's who you're thinking of, but I wasn't thinking of them. I liked their interview with DHH. Very different style. Yeah, just the way you said that, I knew you were saying tomorrow FM. Is terminal event going to be a live Top Shelf? How about tomorrow? I'm not going to answer any questions about the event, but it's going to surprise you. With you on stuff that many others don't think is mainstream. No. It's that, like, I feel like a lot of people when they get DHH on, they ask him like, hey, tell us about Ruby on Rails. You know what I'm saying? Will the podcast last longer than Prime's Dev Hour? I hope so. Right? And you're like, okay, but DHH has answered all the basic questions about Ruby on Rails every single time. Right? Do I want to listen about how Prolixer said savings on a car and then almost got arrested? Well, duh. Yeah, exactly. DHH interview was unhinged, yeah. Oh, my 5 tickets and interest. If it's a framework for making SSH websites, that's pretty funny. Will we have one dedicated episode to ocaml? Hopefully we can ask some people. Oh, like, dang! Is there something you really want to get on a podcast? There's like a lot of people that I think would be fun. I have a list of like 50 people that I made to reach out to. Some of them are a bit more of a stretch than others, but we'll see. Yeah, I think we'll get Thorsten back on. Torvalds would be really fun. I don't know if he likes it. So there are some people like that where it would be hilarious to get Torvalds on a podcast. I don't know if he like is that something that he would think is fun? I have no idea. You know what I mean? Will he just hate me for asking? It seems risky, but it's kind of maybe worth it, you know? So anyways, probably not. That's what I'm saying. Or Ruby and Ruby on Rails. What's your opinion on that? Well, why not spend 2 weeks trying both and see which one like matches with you more, Pharaoh? Elon, we already have Yassine saying he'll come on. Yassine's probably gone from X right now. He said he's only gonna be here for 5 minutes, but we'll hopefully get Yassine on soon. Yeah. Geohots would be fun. Yeah. I don't know. That's a good. I don't think I have him written down, but let me see. That would be fun too. He's very fun to listen to. Yassine is a hilarious X.comer. I'm excited about Jose Alim. Yeah, he's on my list and also has already said like yes, so we'll definitely be interviewing him. Can we get some Hasklers? If we can pull them away from white papers and they're fun, yeah. Lex would be cool. I don't know if he really goes on other people's podcasts. Do you want to interview me? Bisco, I'll try and get you on the pod. But probably Prime's going to reject you. Pick? Dude, I don't know if we can interview Pick. It'll be the end of the podcast. I have Sozin written down. I don't know if he likes me or not. I can't tell. But I wrote him down. I would love to interview him. Pick is too unhinged. That's coming from me. This is ocaml. But I did call him a villain today. So hopefully we're back. Hopefully we're so back. When hey, you might suspect you to be a retro. Yeah, exactly. Where was the... Where was... Oh, here we go. This is true. He's saying, I guess, long enough to see myself become a villain. I told him you already were. I'm already 40 hours deep into making GoTo for ocaml Improved Edition. Yeah. Let me open this over here. Like, I've been working on this video for way too long, so I haven't posted it, where I'm like, I made a hilarious GoTo implementation in ocaml. And it's actually even more cursed than Sozin's because I haven't written the last part yet of this. But the last part is go to and come back. You can go to and optionally come back. So, like continuations, yes, it's basically like, I mean, I'm using effects, right? So it's literally using effects. But the thing is, because I'm not doing what you're supposed to always continue the continuation once, right? But like I can do it as many times as I want or none at all. So you can really mess with the control flow. You know what I'm saying? Because you can go like this, and then you go, oh no, I'm gonna go back to the top of the function, and then I'm gonna go like this, and then I'm also just gonna come back and do this, right? Coming back here. So So this one, it's so hard to even think about how can I even show this? Because like number one, okay, so here's our go-tos, right? Number one, we read this path, right? We have a defer, a pending defer. So this gets called at the end. Go to reading handle. We go here. We're reading the handle. That's number two. Then we append another defer inside of here. Now we're reading the handle. Now we're done. Now we go to cleanup. We go to cleanup. We go over and call all the defers, and then we come back and do the end. So bad, dude. Because come back says, hey, actually come back after we're done running this function, and anything can happen inside of here. So it's like we can do all the other stuff, and then we'll also just resume iterating through this list. Right? So it's like inside of here. Look at this. Inside of this. Inside of... Anyways, so I'm deep on that one. But it's very hard to explain. Are you employed somewhere? This is my job. And hopefully, starting things with Prime, and he remembers to keep coming to them, and we can keep having a podcast. Stuff like this. You make auto commands for beginner? What do you want about it? The stack size. Dude, it's crazy because all the continuations just get held, waiting to be resumed if you want. So anyways, it's very funny. So I'm deep on that video. I have been working and trying to figure out how to turn that into a good video because I think it's funny, and we got nothing. I got nothing. All right. Anyways, chat. Let filter node match node with... Actually, I want to do this. I want to say this here, and I just want to say function. Children, and let's go oh, we're gonna have to do something actually like node. Okay. Match node with... Oh no, we need to get the oh no, this is fine. So now we can go list filter children F. Is this how I want to do this? That's probably fine. So I want to get all the children. So let's go like let's go let items is query filter oh, this is channel. This would be channel. Oh, but I already have the children, so it doesn't even matter. I just go list filter children. F tag. I think I can just go like tag item like this. This is kind of cool. What do we do this? Let's go let tag name node. Okay, that's pretty cool, right? I should be able to go items. And we should have 3 on here? 2 items. Oh, I need to update my RSS feed or something? I don't know. Item. 1, 2. Oh, okay, so I only have 2 of them in here, so we'll need to grab a more recent RSS soon. Can you just do find child with items and then iterate that? Yeah, but I just don't like writing that much stuff. We'll just make functions and see what happens. We're exploring how to do this. How to set up a debugger in NeoVim. I got a video about it. It's called about to recreate VS theme in NeoVim. I don't know. Oh, Teach is back. Ocaml processor similar to Elixir processors with supervisors. You can make something similar to that with ocaml 5. Side effects are managed a lot different than Haskell. There are no side effects in the sense that we don't care. They're just regular things we do. So everything is a side effect or nothing is. How to unmod Nightshade? It's not possible. All right. Okay, so let's go. List, filter, children's, tag items. Okay, so now we have the items, and there's only 2 of them. That's fine, because that's for some reason all I have. So I want to also do, list, map, F, to child, something like this. Let to child.
Recursion
is,
it's
let's go.
Difficult topic, but I think I finally have
yeah,
the best
that's fine.
definition.
Title. Yeah, we're gonna just do the same exact thing. Summary, and yeah, that's good. None. Whatever. Just return. Fail with. Bad kid. Bad child. Everything side effect, that's some weird software design. It's not really. That's. I mean, it's just like. It's just not handled in the type system compared to Haskell. You know what I'm saying? Like it's just very different. Very different idea. Very different things going on. This should be an item list, and I want to say items is an item list like this, and so now we should be able to say items. Dune exec this. So now we should have a bunch of items. Could not find tag. Could not find tag. Oh, it's like iTunes summary or something like this. What am I looking for here? I have which one? Could not find tag. Pumped fail with. Can I find tag summary? Okay. Summary. So it's iTunes summary. Got it. Bada boom, bada bing, chat. We got them. Side effect implies there's a main effect or story effect and probably some errant effects. Yeah. When Haskell stream, I don't know that I would do Haskell. I don't know. Good stream. Thanks or no. Is there a preferred way to manage the buffer? I don't know what you're asking for, Katana. Okay, so now we have a title, description, and summary, as well as a link. Nice. Nice. Is there not like a link directly to... here you go. Enclosure URL. What the heck is this? That's got to be the real link that we want, but we can send them just over to this anyway. So, okay, so right now, we have something like... I actually want to run this and do this like at compile time so I can generate basically like... How old are you? I'm 30. I'm almost dead apparently. Guy, just talking about my age brings on my mortality. Dude, a bunch of these are left over because Apple was the one who made podcasts. 94 gang, yep. 94 for the win. Mm-hmm. Okay, so what we could do is... If you kill a teacher, I'm going to be mad. Yeah. I still use it. Okay, so I need to think about this because what I want to actually do that I think would be pretty funny is if we can do something. I got to remember how to do this though. So we got to go back to Dune read the docs IO. Websites in OCaml are the new meta. That's what we're trying to start. Yeah. The reason I want to do this, I basically want to statically generate this, right? Because we're just loading this up with Cloudflare pages. So this is just like a static page. So I kind of want to just do something where we can load up the whole page here. And then we'll just see what happens, okay? So what I'm thinking here is action fields describe user action. User action always run from the same subdirectory. Here, instance action find. Here, the argument of action is small DSL. So
Made properly tail recursive. Like,
I'm using Ghost here now.
Actually
like a webhook and then update it. Yeah, so later what we'll do. So, okay, so here's, let me just main JSX. Let's remove. Oh, we still have just the counter here. Okay, so that's great. Okay, so that's fine too, probably. So if I go over to here and we go term npm run dev, I'm assuming this will still work. Nice. Npm run build. Unused. Yes, that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. I wonder if this will mess it up. I have to think about this. This part I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's going to happen yet. Will I need to install these as part of the build pipeline? I don't know. I actually don't want to do that. I want to run Dune build locally. Okay. All right. We may have to change. We may have to change this up slightly. Let's try. We'll just try hodling this for a second. Dune build. Okay. XML test. Unused value. Bin XML test. Where am I missing this? 64. Oh, whoops. Oh, that's getting used. Warning, unused rec flag? Really? We use handle child. Oh, we'd never use handle child. Ah, okay. That's why. That makes sense. Thanks. And filter. Filter. Okay. So now we do Dune build. I think if we do npm run build, let's see what happens now. Failed to resolve this. Okay, so this is where we have to figure out how we can do a mix of both of these options. Because I don't want to have anything about the rest of my like build, my JavaScript build side know anything about basically like Dune. That's what I want to do. So that's WebSockets on new uploads. There's ways that you can subscribe or you can like check it every hour. We could do a bunch of random stuff. Okay, so I can't go to this for some reason. We'll go here and we'll go Vite plugin melange. So we have to do some shenanigans here to melange plugin. I don't actually care about this from the RPC part. Try files, melange plugin, config, Dune process, Dune path, RPC path, omit path, Dune build, here, path relative. So I need to put this artifact path and these things inside of here. Because if I do... Oh, actually, you know what we could do? You know what we could do? We could just say exit 0 and exit 0. Something like this, maybe. Well, I wonder what happens if we do this. npm run build. Ooh, okay. Okay, let's try this. So let's go to npm run dev. We should be able to see this again. Throw error unhandled event. Oh, because it exits. I need something that just sits there but doesn't do anything. Is there what would I do to just say like I'm not gonna do anything? I'm just gonna watch for nothing. I don't even know. just empty? I don't think so, because it's gonna try and start a process here. No, because it needs to like, it's surprised that this exited, right? So I want something that just like waits, I guess. Ooh, go kill him, by the way. Neva, by the way. Are we also doing Arch, by the way? Never. I have 3 kids and I love them a lot. What command could I run so that process just sits waiting, but that that creates a process that just waits? I don't know. Sleep. I don't want to do. I guess that's funny. That's pretty funny actually. Okay, sleep, big number. Okay, NVM. This is gonna come back to bite me at some point. Certainly, this is gonna come back to bite me at some point. But for now, chat, it's not gonna bite me. Right. So here's our topshelf.fm right here. Right. So now if I go back to I go here and we do Dune build -w to watch. Okay. So let's go back to our counter MLX here, and where we have undefined. Text area, state text, state.text. Text is hello. I don't think that's right. Oh, nice. There you go. That's that. So then it gets loaded in right like that, chat. Right like that. Live count. What was I doing here? Title. Oh, we never made the title. Right, because JavaScript doesn't care. I forget that JavaScript doesn't care if you just lie to it, right? You can say title equals, wow. Boom. Okay, right? Wait, how did you know Manel from GX? Dune, the spice must flow. But while true, won't that just busy wait? I feel like sleep, insane number is huge, right? Okay, so here's ocaml land. This compiles everything just to regular JavaScript, right? So now we can say, instead of doing, I don't actually want to do this. I don't want to put this here. We can put this here and it'll go away. But in inspect for my console, I should see 5. Okay, right? So now if we go back to generated, I don't remember what we call this. Where are we actually doing this? We're doing this from hello.js, right? So let's say we change this to 6. Nice. Chat, you probably can't read that. It says 6. So my thought is now we can do bin, data, Dune, project, Dune, log, index, blah, 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 blah. Okay, sure. Git, add everything. Git, commit, -m. Surely this will work first try. Git, push. Okay. So now, I don't really know if this is going to work. Topshelf.fm. We should see at some point soon when I refresh this page. Why no reason ML? I don't really like reason. But I like the like I prefer ocaml regular syntax or MLX. Sleep is similarly blocking. Yeah, but it doesn't like busy wait. Well, true sleep 1. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, that one would be fine. Yep. Right PHP becomes JS. This is like Livewire for Laravel. Right PHP becomes JS. Kind of, except instead of like just doing PHP, like it'll actually compile to JavaScript. Have you tried Mint? I don't know what that is. Echo 1 waiting. Oh, nice. That's funny. Things okay. Yes. Mintlang.com. Wonder what my deploy time is like for this. Chat! I've done it. I've literally done it. Oh, 1 sec. Wow. Hey. Fancy meeting you here at the end of the video. Just go ahead, give it a smash. You know, wow, the like button. You can make fun of me in the comments for that one. I don't even care because you made it to the end of this video. Thanks, everybody. See ya.